Hey there. I'm Justine. Don't you talk? I love to talk. I talk all the time. That's why I'm talking to a freaky deaky kid like you.
I'd talk if I knew who I really was.
Dude. You are Henry. Henry Franks. And you live next door to me.
Wow, what great luck that I live next door to a hot chick.
Yeah. I'm hot. Too bad I'm not allowed to date.
So my name is Franks. Is that like Frankenstein? I mean, look at all my stitches. There must be 1,000,000 of them.
You are pretty messed up. But I kind of like that ring of scars around your neck. Your dad said you were in a bad car accident.
My dad? Have you seen the guy? He's a flippy weirdo. He's never around. And when he's around, he just keeps saying, "I'm sorry."
He's sorry? Sorry for what? He didn't cause the accident, did he?
I don't know. I don't know anything about my past. And my future ain't looking too bright, either.
Why?
I have a pin I stab into my arm. I actually can't feel it. I can barely feel anything.
Nothing at all?
Well, I feel something for you, Justine.
Ah, Henry. You are a sweet kid. And I want to help you find out about your past.
What if there's something I don't want to know? Something I shouldn't know?
Oh my God, Henry. Do you hear that? That's the hurricane.
And that may be the crazy lunatic serial murderer breaking into the house.
Henry, we have to get out of here.
Wait. Can I get a kiss first?